Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Aster wallet address on Binance. So Aster just get listed on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer or deposit your Aster from airdrop or other wallets to Binance, you have to find the wallet address. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps, and then you can see there's asset in the bottom right corner. You can click it. And then there is add fund button, you can click it, and then you can choose on chain deposit, and then you can search Aster. This one you can click it, and the network is BNB Smart Chains, and you can just click it, and this is your Aster wallet address on Binance, and you can just copy it and scan it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.